Let the tears of joy flow freely as you uncover the beauty of HairLuminance and the transformative power it holds. Within its pages, find the courage to embrace your vulnerabilities and celebrate the unique beauty that sets you apart. Allow the emotions stirred by HairLuminance to wash over you, cleansing your spirit of doubt and uncertainty. With each tender revelation, feel your heart swell with gratitude for the opportunity to embark on this journey of self-discovery. With HairLuminance as your guiding light, let your emotions guide you towards a future filled with hair that reflects the depth of your innermost desires. Let HairLuminance be your guiding light on this transformative journey, and let each page bring you closer to the hair of your dreams. Trust in the process, and let your hair become a reflection of your newfound confidence. Experience the transformation firsthand, and let HairLuminance unlock the potential within your hair.